Did you know butterflies have superpowers straight out of a sci-fi movie? They have X-ray vision. Butterflies see ultraviolet light, revealing hidden colors in flowers. Their wings do more than fly. They regulate temperature, keeping them safe in extreme conditions. Here's the craziest part. Butterflies remember their past lives, even after turning into goo in their chrysalis. They keep memories from their caterpillar days. And get this, some butterflies can fake death or even taste with their feet. Nature is full of surprises. Which fact shocked you the most? Comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing facts.